Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to dive into an important feature on Bybit, that is how to check your transaction history. If you've been trading or even just exploring the platform, this feature is a must-know to keep track of your trades. So let's get to it. First of all, open up your Bybit application and then log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you should land in your home screen. Go ahead and tap on Assets at the bottom right corner, and inside your My Assets list, you will be able to see all of your transaction history. Simply tap on Asset, and you will be able to see your history by date, asset type, and even transaction status. If you've not made any transactions whatsoever, you will not be able to see the data and it'll pop up like this. And that's how you easily see your transaction history on Bybit. The transaction history not only helps you track your trades, but it also is a great way to stay organized and audit your trades for tax purposes or simply keep a clear record. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell icon so that you never miss out another important tip. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.